Hey friends, and welcome to another video with me. I am so glad to be here and nicely relaxed and rejuvenated. We were just on vacation, but more on that soon. Anyways, today's video is a bit of a strange one because it is about cleaning my bathrooms. Now, I see a lot of dedicated room videos, but I don't see that much in the way of just bathroom cleaning videos, so here goes. This is all about cleaning bathrooms, and this wasn't even all my bathrooms, but I figured I'd stop at 2 because really we don't need to see me cleaning a third bathroom. So that's what I'm going to be doing. This is the one downstairs, my half bath in the main floor, and then later on I'll be cleaning our master bathroom. And so yeah, here is me cleaning the bathroom. Now, I do have a system with this. I usually do top down, so basically cleanest to dirtiest. That's why the toilet is the last thing I will clean. But as you just saw, I do put the toilet bowl cleaner just to sit there. That way I don't have to scrub so hard. I give it time to effect, for the product to work. And then that ensures that I'm not scrubbing, especially because this bathroom here has a bit of a hard water issue. So that's what I did, put it on there and then start with my mirrors and work my way down. Seeing as the process is pretty self-explanatory, I don't think that I have much to say today other than I'm super glad to be back with you guys and putting out another video, and I hope you enjoy it, guys. So friends, as you noticed, if you saw my community post last week, I took a week off. I didn't post a video. I was on vacation with my husband, and so what happened is actually the kids and I went to Kenya in June or July, and my parents live in Kenya, if you didn't know that. So we went there and we spent the whole summer basically there, which makes me a little sad because summer is like one of the best times here in Canada, but at the same time it's like one of the few times I have enough time to make the trip with my kid, especially Amari, who's in school. So anyway, so we went there, and then later Amir came and joined us. So when he got there, him and I decided to take a little vacation, because truth is we haven't been on a vacation with just the two of us since like Amari was born, so that makes it 8 years. So we went on vacation and I didn't bring any work with me. I didn't bring my editing stuff, so that's why there was no video last week. However, there is a lot of there's a lot of content coming up, as like I'm still backdated, so I'm still trying to catch up on the posting. And also, while I was in Kenya, I did some tidying in my parents' house, so there's a clean with me in a different space. So I'm really excited for that. I'm really excited for you guys to see that, because it was, you know, different from my home, which you see every week. But yeah, so that's the story of the vacation, and it was super good. We went to a coastal town in Kenya. It's called Mombasa, and we had so much fun. Just the two of us, no kids. Love my kids, but sometimes it's good to get away. Anyways, you guys, I've moved upstairs to the master bedroom, and so we're gonna clean this bathroom. I started out with the intention to clean the whole bathroom, but I didn't actually get to the shower, and that'll just have to be on another video, because I was super duper tired by the end of this, and it was evening. I clean in the afternoon to evening, so it was evening and it was time to get supper ready and kids to bed. So that's why I didn't get to the shower, and it wasn't honestly that bad. So that's the whole story here. But my mirror and my sink, everything was so bad. You're gonna see I actually scrub it down with a Scrub Daddy and Dawn, and then use a squeegee to clean it off, and a microfiber to get any streaks off. But this is the easiest way, because otherwise I would have been like going through 20 microfiber cloths trying to clean this. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing here. I hope you guys are doing great. Please tell me in the comments below if you had any exciting summer plans and what you did with your summers. I know some people have already gone back to school. However, my kids, I say my kid because my little one isn't going to school, but Amari hasn't gone back to school yet, and I know some places have already started. So let me know if your kids have started school, or if they're still gonna start coming soon, and what you did with your summers, because I'm super excited to hear what you guys did with your summers.
So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends, this being more than friends, yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day, yeah. So hold me tight through the night.
So it was here that I realized that my plan to rinse this like this wasn't gonna work because there was so much soap on it. So I just grabbed my shower squeegee. I keep a squeegee in the shower, and I use it to squeegee off the walls every time I shower. So that's why my bathroom doesn't get that dirty, like to where it needs washing all the time. But anyway, so I then squeegeed the soap off, rinsed it, and then squeegeed the water, and that was much better. So if you're gonna wash your mirrors or glass doors or whatever with a squeegee, I recommend you squeegee the soap off first, then rinse it, and then squeegee one last time to dry it. That worked so much better. Yeah, you guys, as I am recording this voiceover, I actually arrived in Canada last night. So I realized quickly that I have no video edited and voiceover done for because today's Tuesday. So then that's what I'm working on, and because we woke up at like 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. because of jet lag, it worked out in my favor this time, and I can quickly get this video edited and posted for you guys. But isn't that crazy? Like 24 hours ago I was in a whole different continent, and well, here I am now. It blows my mind. I've made this trip a few times, but it always blows my mind when I just think about it. Anyways, I'm rambling because I did wake up at 3 a.m. I said, but hope I'm not boring you guys to death.
set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me.
So, for washing my bathroom floors, I usually get on my hands and knees and use microfiber cloths to do it. And there are several reasons. One is I am lazy to go downstairs and grab my mop and bucket. I'm be honest with you guys. My mop and bucket is downstairs because upstairs is all carpeted. So most times if I have to go and get the mop and bucket, chances are I won't do it. That is the real honest truth about the number one reason why I do it this way. Reason number two is there are so many corners and crevices and hard to reach spots in the bathroom that the mop wouldn't get. So I find it easier to do it this way. And I think that was reason number 3, but honestly, I've forgotten right now. So if I think about it later, I will tell you. But the biggest reason is there's no carpet up here, so there's usually there's no hard floors upstairs, so there's usually no mop here, and that's why I do it this way. Anyways, I am done cleaning. It is over. It is finished. If you stayed this long, like, you are amazing, and I appreciate you so much. Thank you for tuning in today. As always, if you liked this video, please click the like button, share, and subscribe. That helps out my channel so much. And until the next time, you guys, have a fantastic week. Take care.
All about the